main account. Okay? They are also, he is also supporting. Hanggang sa nasa bids mo ako yung let's go home. Thank you for coming. Maya-maya mag-end na tayo. Pero bago ako mag-end, i-unpin kita. Kasi sabi ganito, medyo, 'di ba? Medyo tumatagal-tagal na rin tayo sa YT world. Hindi ko alam kung kasi lately lang ako na lately ko lang na-realize and then lately ko lang din nalaman ng mga ganitong mga pagdating sa mga live stream. Ganito daw 'yon. Halimbawa, example, Uncle Sam, nakapin ka. And then pag nakapin ka tapos mag-end lang ako na hindi kita na-unpin, sabi daw magbabawas daw yung yung what's our sa'yo. Kaya make sure Uncle Sam, sabi siyempre, yun naman ang sabi sa akin. Pero sinusunod ko naman, pag may nakapin, dapat i-unpin muna bago mag-end ng ano. And then, di ba, when we are playing some videos of some of our visitors sa LS, di ba? Pinapakita natin sa screen. Di ba pinapakita sa camera? Makikita na kasi ganito, piniplay ko yung video mo, ganito, kwan. Hindi daw dapat ganun. Jensky, nakikinig ka? O nakamute ka na naman? Jensky? So guys, it's almost. We have 3:29 minutes and 27 seconds. Dahil mamaya around 1 o'clock, somebody will came and they're going to fix something inside the master bedroom. So I need to end up this live stream after a minute. Thank you for staying up. Thank you so much. I owe you one. Thank you guys. And I think it's raining again. It's raining again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay, just like as always, before I end my live stream, before I end my live stream, I always send some hearts. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts. See? Oh, it's raining now. And then flowers. Flowers to my lovely ladies. Yes. Jensky, thank you so much. And then send some flowers again. Cherry blossom. My favorite color is pinky. Pink. So, that's it for now. Uncle Sam, I will unpin you, okay? Yeah, unpin po kita para wala tayong Okay. So, guys, thank you so much for staying up. Jensky, maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa lahat na pumunta. At sa mga last na pumunta, Jensky, Uncle Sam, Music Vibes 5. Sandali.